So many actors tell me every day, not every day. It doesn't happen every day. Number 4, this is a one. Number 4 is one that I feel like is all. Lots of actors seem to think that you can't do anything if you don't have any money. And, we hear this, acting is so expensive and blah, 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 blah. I'm here to tell you that there are lots of things that you can do, even if you have a very, 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 very tiny budget or no budget at all. And I want to give you 5 ideas to get you started. The first one, get on the list of people who give great free content. Not to pat my own self on the back, but we have like 400 videos on YouTube that are totally free for you to consume and learn and implement all that stuff. Number 2, create a script reading group. You can get together with other actors for completely free and read through scripts, assign each other roles, give each other feedback, be really open. This is a great way to continue to develop your craft for completely free. Number 3, join free Facebook groups. Engage, learn what you can. Actors Who Get It is our free community, and if you're not a member, we would love to have you there. Number 4 is a tip that I feel like is overlooked in our digital age, but libraries still exist. Check out books and scripts and all kinds of materials from the library. It's amazing what you can find, and if your local library doesn't have it, chances are you can put it on hold and get it sent to the local library. So it's super easy for you to pick it up. Last but not least, number 5, find a self-taping buddy and practice putting each other on tape every so often. I recommend getting together at least once a week to put an audition on tape. You can find sites online, you can find plays at the library. Just practicing and watching yourself and making adjustments is going to help you beyond measure. So while you're doing all of these things, save your money so that you can invest in headshots and marketing classes and demo reels and all of that stuff when you have the funds. But you can get the ball rolling right now.